continue with the conference ngayon at ating ipakikilala sa inyo ang 14 na finalists na lumaawiting ninyo kanina.
Minawagin ng 4 na finalists kami ni Butsay ng Pop Music Foundation to tingin at tumulong sa festival na ito. Sa lahat ng mga performers na naging guest ngayong gabi, sa ating orkestra na pinamunuan ni Doming Amarillo na official arranger ng festival, at sa lahat ng tumulong ngayong gabi, ang aming taus-pusong pasasalamat.
At minsan po namin uulitin na ngayon lamang po sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon mula nang masimulan ang search for the original composer for tonight. Ngayon lamang po sila ipipresent publicly. And so we'd like to call on our 14 composers together with their 14 interpreters of their song entries here on stage to receive their trophies and their plaque appreciation.
Tawagin natin sila in the order that their songs were presented. Entry number 1 was the song entitled Ngumiti, Tumawa, Masaya, Kumanta. This was interpreted by Cynthia Garcia and the Kabataan, arranged by Doming Amarillo with music and lyrics by Mr. Joe Jingle Reyes.
At nasa entablado ngayon si Mr. Joe Jingle Reyes at ang kanyang interpreter. Entry number 2 was the song entitled Minsan Pa, interpreted by Janet Basco and arranging Amarillo for the composer, Ms. Mari Chan, who incidentally is New York-based right now. Gentlemen in the Mari Chan, who is in New York, we have had the honor of Mr. coming over to represent his bosom friend, Joe Mari Chan. He is a composer, an arranger, and also an instrumentalist.
The third entry was the song entitled Anak, arranged by Doming Amarillo and interpreted by the composer himself, Mr. Freddy Aguilar.
Ang pang-apat ho nating kalaho, may pamaga ang Dampa Hulod, interpreted by Imelda Papin, arranged by Doming Amarillo with music and lyrics, again by Mr. Joe Jingle Reyes.
Entry number 5 was the song entitled Kaya Musika, interpreted by Mr. Haji Alejandro. The music, lyrics, and arrangement were made by the composer himself, Mr. Ryan Cayabyab.
Entry number 6 was the song entitled Pagdating Mo. It was arranged by Emmy Monhi, interpreted music and composed by Mr. Nonoy Gallardo. This is a husband and wife team at si Mr. Gallardo po ay sumulat ng awiting ito ng kasagampan si Celeste sa kanyang 7-month-old baby now.
Saan Ako Patutungo was entry number 7. It was arranged by Doming Amarillo, interpreted by Dondor, who wrote the lyrics and composed by Mr. Sunny Ilacag.
Entry number 8, the song entitled Narito Akong Umiibig, interpreted by Marie Chris Bermont, arranged by Doming Amarillo with music and lyrics by Mr. Nonong Pedero.
Ang pangsyam na kalahok sa ating festival ngayong gabi ay ang awiting pinamagatang Pangako. This was interpreted by Rex Dimavi, arranged Doming Amarillo with lyrics by Rolando Tino. Pangako was composed by Pangako was complete, Villafuerte.
Entry number 10, the song entitled Tayo'y Mga Pinoy, performed by the Bagong Banyuhay, with music and lyrics and the original composition by Heber Bartolome.
Last five bars.
The 11th finalist in the festival is the song entitled Mahal, which was performed by Lehan Lopez, arranged by Doming Amarillo, with music and lyrics by James Villafuerte.
Entry number 2, Suerte Suerte Lang, arranged by June Latonio, and the music composed and interpreted himself by Mr. Joel Navarro.
The next entry number 13, was the song entitled Ibig Ano Pa Nga Ba, performed by Nick Gonzalez, arranged by Doming Amarillo, with music and lyrics by Cecil Marcaida.
Thank you. And our final entry, which was the song titled Ibig Kong Ibigin Ka, arranged by Doming Amarillo with lyrics by Rolandinho and edited by Anthony Castello and composed by Mr. Vic Villar.
Kaibigan, ang 14 na finalists sa kaunahang Metro Manila Pop Music Festival at ang kanilang mga interpreters. Congratulations at maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you and congratulations to our composers and interpreters.